Hello everyone, in this video we will review Lindy Ai. Lindy Ai is a smart professional assistant designed to help busy professionals manage their daily tasks. It can draft emails, schedule meetings, take notes, and even handle to-do lists for you. What makes Lindy special is that it acts more like a real assistant than just a chatbot. You can talk to it in natural language and it understands what you need without lots of commands or clicking. Lindy connects with your calendar, email, and app like Slack or Zoom to handle tasks automatically. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it feel more like a human helper than a tool. It saves a lot of time, especially for entrepreneurs, managers, or freelancers juggling multiple responsibilities. Lindy's biggest strength is reduce the mental load of small daily tasks. It offers a free plan for $0 per month, a pro plan for $49 per month, a business plan for $299 per month, and a custom plan for custom pricing. To sign up for free, sign up with Google. After that, choose a Google account and continue with it. Then enter your card information to create your account. However, it's still improving and may sometimes need you to double-check details. Also, the full range of feature is better in the paid plans. Overall, Lindy Ai is a great productivity partner for anyone who wants a smarter, faster way to manage work without hiring a real assistant. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.